Now it's time to go over research in a nutshell. Let me introduce you to Google.com. Yes, the information age has come to the point where you ultimately will not need anything more than just that little search engine site. Even if the information that you need is more academic or scientific or technical in nature, you can even use Google Scholar. The point of Google is to find the sites created by the people or organizations that have the information that you need. And then you can hunt through their resources and find what it is that you're looking for. So there are 5 keys to an effective research quest. The first is to have established research questions, which you should have after your brainstorming session. And often they're going to start with things like how to do whatever it is, or where can I find do. And then the next step is to identify the key search terms. And this is something a lot of people overlook. So this is basically keywords that are going to help you find relevant answers. And you can literally type your question that you came up with into Google, but sometimes it's a lot more effective to use a succinct group of words that are going to target what you're looking for. And you want to identify which words are going to be the most highly targeted, meaning like the websites are actually going to have these words on it, or the words that your type of customer or the business that you're looking for actually use. And you want to try different words that mean the same thing and see if it brings up different results. Then third, you want to exhaust your research by opening up every single link that comes up on the results that look at all promising. And you can right-click on the link and open in a new tab and go through at least the first 3 pages of the Google results and open up everything relevant. Do this for each keyword search. Then scan each page that you opened up to see if it looks at all promising. And you want to look at the home page and the menu topics just to get an idea. And if it doesn't look like the site's relevant, close it. And then the ones that look interesting, paw through them in greater detail, like looking throughout the site on different pages for the information that you're looking for. And the 4th key here is to take notes. Save the links that have the best information. Copy and paste relevant information into a Word document or something where you can keep it compiled, and make sure you know where it came from in case you need to go back to it. And you also want to write down any important ideas that come up while you're researching. You might not need everything written down, but you need to capture the important pieces for later. And then the 5th step is Control F. So once you're on a website, you can hit Control key and the F key and open up a window that allows you to search by keyword within that page. It can save you a lot of time reading. And actually, Control F works in most programs, such as Word docs or PDFs. So if in your hunt you find documents or ebooks or whatever, you can click Control and F and search through the document for certain keywords so that you don't have to read a 20-page document looking for a small amount of information. So if you didn't already know that, you're welcome. And if you're using a mobile phone, and a smartphone usually has a Find on Page feature. And so oftentimes if you click the menu, which a lot of times is in the upper right corner, you'll see a Find on Page option, which again opens up a little window where you can put in a keyword and search that page for the words that you're looking for. So it's a really big time saver. And another way to find what you're looking for often is just to keep looking. And again, like I mentioned, trying different keywords, different combinations of words. You can try sometimes putting quotes around things if you're not getting really targeted results. So if 2 words are definitely going to be together, put quotation marks around them, and that's going to help you pull up the most relevant information. And just to reiterate, the most important thing is to save all of the knowledge that you find out there hunting through the web, and it's kind of like a scavenger hunt. So have fun with it, and then you're going to use this process multiple times throughout the process of developing your side hustle, because every step along the way there's going to be something that you either need information on, or we're also going to come back to this when you're evaluating your competition and getting to know your customers.